Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you the easy way you can clean your Tiffany silver jewelry. For that you need two bowls, one empty and one cold water. You need hot water, I have here. You need some baking soda. You need some aluminium foil. And you need some paper towel to dry your jewelry. So let's start this procedure. So here is my empty bowl. I'm going to put some aluminium foil. Then I'm going to put some baking soda. That is enough. Next I'm going to pour some hot water. And then I'm going to put this necklace inside. The water is very hot, guys, be careful with that. Let me get a fork. So I got a fork to take the silver piece out, and you can see how clean this is now. It's very hot. You can see the difference. It was not that dirty, but I just wanted to show you guys how you can clean. It definitely got cleaner. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to put that in the cold water to clean the all the chemicals, and then I'm going to dry this on the paper towel and leave it outside. Let it dry completely before you store it. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to store it after it dries completely. So stay tuned for that. Next, let's put this one inside. This is just a chain, Tiffany chain. Let me change my water. I'm going to put this one. And don't try this procedure with the enamel pieces, or if you have any stones on your jewelry. This is only applicable for silver jewelry, just silver, nothing else. Don't even try with the Pandora ones, because they have the, what is it called? And you can see, wow, look at this. It's like brand new. So I'm putting this in the cold water to wash the chemical. And then I have this pendant from Disney. Let's try this one. Let's try to clean that. And I'm going to dry them properly. Maybe I'll keep them outside for like 3 to 4 hours. And when they fully dry, I'm going to put them in Ziploc bags I'm going to put them separately because I don't want them to tangle with each other. So I do not have a small Ziploc bag. I have this size, so I'm going to put them in these. This way the air will not go inside, because in the pouches they came in, you can't airtight them, so they don't stay tarnish free in those pouches. That's why I'm going to put them in these Ziploc bags. Yeah, so that was it for this video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a like and please subscribe. Thanks again for watching this video, and let me know if this trick worked with your Tiffany pieces. Yeah, so thanks a lot for watching, and see you again in my next one. Bye.